Guys, let's check out how we can trade using this simple strategy. The good thing is that this strategy works for all the assets. Okay, I don't want to know the assets you are trading. Okay, so if you can follow the instruction, then definitely you will get it right. At least out of 10 trades, you should be able to get minimum of 7 right. Okay, so that is it, and that is what we all are always looking out for as a trader. Okay, so if your profit or your profitable trades are more than the one that you are losing, then definitely you are cool with your strategy. Okay, so let's see how we can go about it. Before I go fully into it, I welcome you all to this platform. And of course, I will like you guys to know that this video is for educational purpose. And if you love this content, kindly give me a follow right now, like this video, and share this video with friends and family. Okay, so quickly, let's go straight into what we have right here. So if you should notice, there are two major areas where you should pick up your trade from. Okay, if you are trying to buy, then I will always advise that you pick up your trade from the support region. Okay, a major support region. Okay, so right here is a major support region, and you can see if you are taking a buy right from this stage, this particular point, okay, then definitely check it out. It will have given you a lot of profit because right here is a support region, most especially around here, and probably here too. Okay, so it is a major support region. Okay, so the only thing we can only wait for, okay, is to get the right signal. Okay, so that is if you are using a very good indicator. The one I'm using on the screen right here is called the 3M, and of course it is a custom made indicator. So you can see it gave us the uptrend signal at this point. Okay, and of course it also gave us the buy signal at this point. And if you should notice, it allowed it to break out above this minor resistance zone. Okay, before it gave us those signals. Okay, which means once it breaks out from there, it will turn back to be a support region. Okay, at this particular point. Okay, so of course, guys, that is why we had a very good opportunity to buy right from here till it got to this resistance zone. Okay, so it has gotten to this resistance zone, and since it's not breaking out above this, then definitely it should change the direction of the trend. Okay, because only two things can happen at the resistance zone and the support zone. The first thing that can happen is that it can break out above the resistance zone or below the support zone. If the market breaks out, if there is a breakout around any of these two zones, then definitely the market will continue in that direction. Let me explain that better. If this market gets to this resistance zone and it breaks out above it, it will keep on buying because it was buying before. So it will continue with the direction that it was, with the direction of the trend. Okay, it will continue with it. Okay, so and it will keep on buying until it gets to another resistance zone that is strong enough to send it back. Okay, then the same thing is applicable to the support region. Okay, it had been on downtrend, it got to the support zone. If it breaks out below it, it will continue with that direction, okay, to keep on selling until it gets to another major support zone that is stronger to change the direction of the trend. Okay, so that is it. So if it's unable to break out from there, then the direction of the trend should change. Okay, so that is why we are having this ranging region at this spot. Okay, if you should notice, I put an horizontal line here waiting for it to break out below it because of the ranging stuff that is happening right from there. So this is the entry point if I'm to come in, and of course you can see the sell signal, and of course you can see the downtrend signal already there, and this started selling right from there. Check out the the way it's played out. Okay, check out the way it's played out, guys. So this is so amazing. So at this spot right now, it has gotten to another support region at this point. Okay, so that is why you are seeing it going up and down, up and down. It's trying to see if it should change the direction of the trend, or probably it should break out below this support zone. Okay, so if it breaks out below the support zone, it will keep on selling. If it does not, then it will go back on uptrend once it breaks out above this region. Okay, so this is very, very important. So this is how you can use this simple strategy to milk the market all the time. Okay, and you can apply it on all the assets. Okay, you will enjoy it. Okay, so guys, I hope you guys have learned a lot from this video. Okay, so if you have any other question, kindly drop your question down there in the comment section. I will be there to reply. Watch out for my next video. Until then, God bless you.